In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your project on Lovable. Whether you're starting fresh or working on an existing project, understanding how to efficiently save your work is essential for keeping your creative process smooth and stress-free. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Lovable website. It's your go-to platform for all project-related activities, and you can easily find it at lovable.dev. Once you're there, it's time to decide whether you want to open an existing project or kick off a brand new one. If you're in the mood to create something new, simply click on the plus new project button to get started from scratch. Alternatively, you can choose the Create with AI option if you want some assistance in the creative process, but if you're returning to a project you've already begun, just look for its name or thumbnail in your Lovable dashboard and click to open it up. Once you have your project open, it's time to get editing. One of the really handy features of Lovable is its auto-save function. This means that every change you make, whether it's adding text, tweaking colors, or uploading images, is automatically saved to your account. You don't need to worry about losing hours of work because Lovable's got your back. As you work, keep an eye out for a small message at the top of the editor that says saved or saving. This is Lovable's way of confirming that your changes are being saved in real time, so you can focus on being creative without any interruptions. Once you're happy with the changes you've made and you see that comforting saved notification, you can confidently navigate away from the editor. To wrap things up, go ahead and return to your dashboard. This is where all your projects are nicely organized and easy to access whenever you need them. The dashboard acts as your command center on Lovable, giving you an overview of all your creative works and the ability to dive back into any project with just a click. With these simple steps, saving a project on Lovable is as straightforward as it gets. It's all designed to make sure you can focus on what you do best, creating. You'll never need to worry about forgetting to save your work again. Thanks to Lovable's intuitive interface and handy autosave function, your creative process will be smoother and more streamlined than ever before. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and remember, your work is always safe with Lovable. Happy creating!